Hello. In the political practices of the country, we find a phenomenon called whip system. The whip system, whip is nothing but a single line order to the members of the parliament of a particular party by the party, asking them to be present and vote in a particular manner. This sometimes people believe that this is a suppression of the freedom of speech of the people, freedom of expression of the people. But in reality, it is not so. When you look at the party politics that occur in our country, you find that every candidate is elected on the basis of a party ticket. When a person is granted a party ticket or a B form, the idea is that he is supported and he is accepting the ideology of the party. Once the ideology of the party is accepted, he has to be abiding by the party's ideology. Under a whip system, the party has an ideology, party has a decision arrived on the basis of its own policy, and then it asks the members of the party to vote favor or against a particular policy. Therefore, it is not really a violation of a freedom of speech. If the member violates the party's whip, the party can demand that he has defected from the party's ideology and ask the Speaker of the Lok Sabha to institute disqualification procedures under anti-defection law.